Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss imperfection or defects in solid. A crystal is said to be ideal if the entropy of its constituent is zero. Then ideal crystal क्या होगा? Ideal crystal, that means entropy of the constituent. Entropy means randomness. Entropy of the constituents are 0, and it is obtained at absolute temperature. अगर कोई इरेगुलरिटी है, इफ देर इज एनी इरेगुलरिटी of the constituent particles from perfectly ordered arrangement, then this type of crystal is called as defect in crystal or impurity in crystal. Irregularity in the constituent particles, this will cause defect in crystal. This will cause defect or imperfection in crystal. Defect or imperfection in crystal. Then we will try to study how many types of imperfection or defect in crystal appear. Imperfection in crystal. You will consider imperfection in solid or crystal. This imperfection is of two types. One is the atomic imperfection, atomic or point defect. It is called as atomic or point defect. And another is the line defect. Atomic or point defect, it is the deviation from ideal arrangement around a point in crystalline solid. It will cause atomic or point defect. And if deviation from ideal arrangement in entire row of the lattice point, then it is called as line defect. We have not to study line defect at this stage, so we will concentrate about the atomic or point defect. This atomic or point defect, it is of three types. One is called as stoichiometric defect, another is called as non-stoichiometric defect, and other is impurity defect. A stoichiometric defect, these defects do not disturb stoichiometry of the solid. Stoichiometry of the compound will not change. That means number of positive or negative ions will not change, will not alter in the ionic solid. It is also called, very very important, it is also called intrinsic or thermodynamic effect. That means stoichiometry of the compound will not change. It is of two types. One is called as a Schottky defect, and other is called as Frankel defect. And non-stoichiometric defect, when the compound disturb its own stoichiometry. It means the compound in which number of positive and negative ions are not exactly same. They are not exactly similar or same, then it will cause non-stoichiometric defect. It is also called Bertholloid compounds. नॉन स्टोइकोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट जिनमें होता है उनको बोलते हैं बर्थोलॉइड कंपाउंड. इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप. वन इज मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट and other is called as metal deficiency defect. This metal excess defect are of two types. it is one metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy, and other is called as other metal excess defect due to cationic vacancy. Now one by one I will discuss these all defect. An impurity defect when the another compound, another ions are doped in the or added to the मेन कंपाउंड, जैसे मान लो NaCl में अगर स्ट्रॉन्सियम मिला दिया जाए, देन इट विल कॉज इम्प्यूरिटी डिफेक्ट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डॉपिंग defect. It is also called doping defect. Now come to one by one. This is the very good look of imperfection in solid. Atomic point, atomic और point defect, line defect. line defect को हमको स्टडी नहीं करनी है. Atomic defect और point defect, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric defect. A stoichiometric defect, two type, Schottky defect and Frankel defect. Another is the non-stoichiometric, when positive and negative ions are not exactly similar. It is of two type, metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Metal excess defect are two type, anionic vacancy and cationic vacancy. Now come to one by one, a Schottky defect. A Schottky defect, you will note regarding the Schottky defect. A Schottky defect which type? It is observed in the compound when the size of cation and anion are approximately similar. This will cause a Schottky defect. It is caused by the loss of equal number of cation and anions from their lattice side. Actually, equal number of positive and negative ions are removed or missing from the lattice point. अब देखो क्या होगा कि अगर equal number of cation and anion will loss, then density of the crystal will decrease. Stability of the crystal will also decrease. Lattice energy will decrease. Entropy will increase, and the electrical conductivity will increase. The another important line written in NCERT book is also that 1 centimeter cube of NaCl has 10 to the power 6 a Schottky pair or defect. Condition, what will be the condition for a Schottky defect? Appears in the compound when the high coordination number is present, like CaCl, KBr, NaCl, these all have a Schottky defect. And Frankel defect, you will go through the NCERT book, you will find when some cations are missing from its original site and go to the another place. जैसे मान लो Na प्लस AgBr का कंपाउंड लें, Ag प्लस Br माइनस आयन, इस तरह का लैटिस स्ट्रक्चर हो, और अगर आपको कोई एनायन अगर इससे रिमूव हो जाए, अगर इससे रिमूव नहीं हो बल्कि इंटरस्टिशियल पोजीशन को ऑक्युपाई करें, तो आप देखेंगे क्या, जैसे मान लो कि यहाँ स्कॉटकी डिफेक्ट फ्रैंकेल डिफेक्ट में यहाँ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव को दिखाओ. Positive negative ions, negative ion, positive ion, negative ion, some are missing from its lattice point. Here Frankel defect, some ions are missing from its original site, यहाँ से निकला और ये पॉजिटिव आयन यहाँ पर आकर इंटरस्टिशियल गैप पर जाकर फिट हो गया, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरस्टिशियल डिफेक्ट, और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फ्रैंकेल डिफेक्ट. तो फ्रैंकेल डिफेक्ट में क्या होगा कि होल्स आर क्रिएटेड एट द रेस्पेक्टिव पोजीशन. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज डिसलोकेशन डिफेक्ट. ये किस में होता है, तो विथ लो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कंपाउंड, एनायंस आर वीगर देन कैटायंस, सो कैटायंस विल डिसलोकेट फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल साइट एंड गो टू द अनदर प्लेस. एग्जाम्पल इसके क्या होंगे, तो आप लिख लें एग्जाम्पल, हैलाइड्स ऑफ ऑल हैलाइड्स ऑफ सिल्वर, AgCl हो गया, AgBr हो गया, AgI हो गया, दीज ऑल कंपाउंड्स हैव विच टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट, फ्रैंकेल डिफेक्ट. कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस क्या क्या है, इसके प्रभाव पड़ेंगे, तो नो चेंज इन डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉलिड, लैटिस एनर्जी एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ आयन, स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ सॉलिड decreases, lattice energy and stability decreases. इंट्रॉपी क्या होगा इसका, इंट्रॉपी रैंडमनेस बढ़ेगी. ये आप इम्पोर्टेंट इसमें याद रखेंगे कि इट इन्फ्लुएंसेस केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंपाउंड. फ्रैंकेल डिफेक्ट इन्फ्लुएंसेस केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द कंपाउंड. नॉन स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट में आप आओगे तो नॉन स्टोइकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट तीन तरह के, एक हो गया मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट ड्यू टू एनायनिक वैकेंसी। एनायनिक वैकेंसी में आप नोट करेंगे, एनायनिक वैकेंसी में आप नोट करेंगे, यहाँ देखिए एनायनिक वैकेंसी, यहाँ है आपको एनायन कटायन, यहाँ एनायन, कोई एनायन अपने पोजीशन को मिस कर दिया, आप इसे आप नोट करोगे क्या कि हियर एनायंस लीव्स द साइट व्हेन आयनिक कंपाउंड इज हीटेड इन वेपर्स ऑफ मेटल. This site is occupied by electron to maintain the electrical neutrality. This site is occupied by the electron to maintain the electrical neutrality. This site is occupied by electron is called as F center. F center, that means the Farben-Genter for color center. As the number of F center increases, intensity of color increases. KCl when heated in vapor of potassium acquires violet color. KCl when heated, it acquires violet color or lilac color. Next is the metal excess defect due to extra cations. इसमें आप लिखोगे in some cases when the ionic compound heating alone remains some anions and entraps electron, excess metal ion and entrapped electron shift to interstitial site. जैसे मान लो जिंक ऑक्साइड को आप हीट करेंगे तो जिंक ऑक्साइड को आप हीट करेंगे तो Zn2 प्लस हाफ O2 प्लस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, then zinc oxide when heated it is originally white and when it heated it becomes yellow. This yellow color is due to the entrapped electron to the interstitial next to the neighboring atom. And other is the metal deficiency defect due to cationic vacancy. Metal excess defect due to cationic vacancy, or it is also called metal deficiency defect. आप इसमें मेटल डिफिशियंसी डिफेक्ट, ये थर्ड हो गया मेटल डिफिशियंसी डिफेक्ट. दिस डिफेक्ट कंटेन lesser number of positive ions than the negative ion. Lesser number of positive ion less होंगे than the negative ion, positive ions than the negative ions. And ये किस में होता है? The compounds which have variable valency, and this is generally variable valency, that means transition metal. Then it is observed in Fe.950, Fe.960, Fe.930, nickel 0.9698O. These all are the transition metal observed this type of metal deficiency defect. And other is the impurity defect. It is also called doping defect, impurity defect or doping defect. A defect in which ionic solid can be introduced by adding some foreign materials. That means if impurity ions have a different oxidation state, जैसे मान लो NaCl को हम क्या कर रहे हैं, क्रिस्टलाइज कर रहे हैं, और NaCl के क्रिस्टलाइजन के वक्त कुछ स्ट्रॉन्शियम के मेटल आ गए. स्ट्रॉन्शियम की वैलेंसी 2 है, Na प्लस की वैलेंसी 1 है. अब Na प्लस का ये Na प्लस Cl माइनस आयन, Na प्लस Cl माइनस आयन, Cl माइनस आयन Na प्लस, Cl माइनस आयन Na प्लस, Na प्लस Cl माइनस, इस तरह का इसका क्रिस्टलाइन पैटर्न था. और इसमें क्या किए आप, स्ट्रॉन्शियम मिला दिए. तो स्ट्रॉन्शियम का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 2 है, इसकी 2 वैलेंसी है, इसकी वैलेंसी कितनी है 1. तो ये क्या करेगा, जैसे ही स्ट्रॉन्शियम इसके साथ आएगा तो ये 2 साइड इसका खाली करेगा. एक पर स्ट्रॉन्शियम खुद आकर बैठ जाएगा और एक साइड क्या रहेगी, होल के रूप में परिणत हो जाएगी. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. ओके, थैंकिंग यू ऑल, टेक केयर ऑफ योर